Remedios ES. Makakalaban dito ang Lubao ES. Mapupunta para dito sa Lubao ES. Number 16 pass, number 11 puts it. Here comes the blue shirt, here comes Remedios Lubao. Elementary School, number 3. Victory. Ito ang Team Remedios. Two all is the count. 4 minutes exactly. 2 minutes gone by. Number 1 outlet. Number 16 on the attack. 2 points lead for the Remedios. Ito si number 4 Cordova. Bigay kay number 11. Number 11.
Outside! One! There's one!
Wala nang kay. Sige na. Okay, number 3. Looking for his teammates.
Wag! Wala! 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 There's one!
Number 3 there.
Oh! Good!
Si Wendy in play. Full corners pa rin. Ito si number 6. Ramos. Changing direction. Matatapikan.
Outside! Good!
Basketball. Okay, same ball.
Good
Shot
one.
clock good. Shot clock down to 17. Kick out. Number 7.
Wala! Wala! Wala!
One.
Paldo! Wala!
Mendes para kay number 7. Anderson. Jump ball. Ochoa out. Ochoa out.
Sab. Sino yung magpapakita?
Sir, dali ka to. Matidilig ko yung magdala.
Takin ka ba? O sige, pasok na.
Sige, pasok na. Okay, Samson of Black, walking 1 and 45 to play. Para sa numbers 5, our mission score is 6-4. Ang 2 points lead para sa Remedios. ES, number 3. Number 20 from the Bears. Kick out number 3.